Right, hello everyone. It's been a while that I don't do any videos on coding, so today I decided, since it's raining outside and I have nothing to do, let's do a video on sets. Some of you know, most of you know, but a set is a collection, let's name it. It's a collection of unique elements between curly braces. Something like 1, 2, 3 could be a set. Now let me print it out. Do you remember how to print? You print set 1, and then those are the items. In a set, you can only have one of each element. So if you have 4 3s here, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because the elements must be unique. So if I print this again, I get the same result, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Because 3 is included, and the repetition of it does not have an impact. It doesn't count the repetition. Okay. Usually our sets should be organized, but they don't have to be organized. You can have 1, 2, 3, 8, 12, 20, or 30, and then you might have 6, and that is not sorted, right? It is not sorted. So if you want to sort a set, you can create another one, which is going to be set sorted, and that will be my sorted version of set 1. Now, if I print out not set 1, because I allocated this variable into set sorted. So I must print out set sorted now, and I should get my elements in order. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 12, 30. So all of these elements are unique, the 3s are not repeating, and they are arranged in order. Cool. Do we know about universal sets? A universal set is the amount of elements that are included in your problem. Okay. So let's say that you want to deal with all the positive integers from 1 to 20 inclusive. Then you could, if you have enough time, you could start typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could do that and it would work. However, you want to be smart about this, right? So I will change this and I will create a set that has a range that goes from 1 to 21. And now I need to make sure that I close this parenthesis and the other one. You see, because we opened one for the range and the second one for the values. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why 21? Why not 20? Well, by default, Python, when Python deals with sets, the last value that you input is not inclusive when you're given a range. So you need to go one extra value so you can include the value that you previously wanted to include, if that makes any sense. Now, I'm going to print out my universal. Make sure that your spellings are correct. My universal set. And I should get, there you go, all the positive integers from 1 to 20 inclusive, not 21. Okay, cool. Let's create some subsets. Subset 1 will be, I don't know, let's go for even numbers from 1 to 10, not counting 0, including 10. This could be my subset 1. Subset 2 will be odd numbers from 1 to 10. And let's leave it like this for now. Now I want to manipulate these sets. So I'm going to do a union. I'm going to use a union of sets. And that will be subset 1 dot union. And now you can see how the union turns blue. That means that this is a built-in function in Python. Automatically, Python is going to recognize that you want to assemble both sets. Then in parentheses, the second set that you want to unionize, subset 2. And now here, I don't want to print the universal set. I want to print, you must you might have guessed this already. I want to print the union of sets. If I run this, I should get all the numbers from 1 to 10. And I do get all the numbers from 1 to 10. Cool. What else can we do? We can do intersection. An intersection would be all the elements that your sets have in common. Okay? So if I do subset 1, I forgot the B, dot intersection subset 2, and I print the intersection of my sets, you probably guess what's going to happen. Take a minute, look at it, and guess what's going to happen. I get an empty set. Well, why is that? Well, that is because there's no elements in common. These are all even numbers, and these are all odd numbers, right? So there's nothing in common. If I decided to add a 10 here, just for the sake of it, and I run it again, the number 10 will be the only intersection of sets. Make sense? Hope it does. I can create a complement of a set. Complement sets. And now, a complement of a set would be what is not in that set, but is part of the universal set. Okay? So to give our console instructions, all we gotta do is universal set minus the set that we don't want. Let's say that I want the complement of subset 1. Then it would be the universal set minus subset 1. And now if I print out the complement of subset 1, I should get all the numbers from 1 to 20 apart from 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's what I should get. And I get that. I get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11 to 20. Cool. You can, create more sets, subset 3, and this one will not be numbers. You can store letters like A, but again, when you're dealing with characters in a set, they need to go surrounded by quotation marks because they have to be recognized as text. So you can do A, B, C, and let's say that I want to do a union of subset 1 and subset 3, and I want to print out the union of sets. What do you think I will get? Well, I would get subset 1, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then I would get some letters in the middle. Okay? And this is pretty much everything about sets. Feel free to fiddle with it, create your own sets, and if you want to send me what you got, I'll be happy to have a look at it. Okay? Bye!